At Zoeast PV, we are proud to present our brand new product, the 158.75mm solar cell. It incorporates advanced technologies such as the passivated emitter rear cell design, bifacial technology and multi-bus bars to deliver unmatched performance and efficiency. Its front side features a silicon dioxide and blue silicon nitride composite anti-reflective film. This film not only minimises reflection loss, but also eliminates potential induced degradation, ensuring uninterrupted performance. On the rear side, the passivation layer reduces surface recombination and minimises charge carrier losses, resulting in improved efficiency and performance. With high conversion efficiencies, it performs better even in low light and high temperature conditions. Its optimal cell design offers significant benefits to manufacturers, enables faster production cycles, reduces labour costs, and enhances overall quality control. Minimizing the potential for errors and inconsistencies during assembly empowers manufacturers to scale up production while maintaining high product quality. It is built to last, ensuring stable operation over its lifespan. Additionally, a lower breakage rate minimizes the risk of damage during transportation, installation, and operation. Zoeast PV is a leading manufacturer of high-quality solar cells and modules that has an annual cell production capacity of 5 gigawatts. With a strong focus on excellence and innovation, we strive to meet the diverse needs of our customers.